What's the update for the 1,000 gift certificate for seniors that are fully vaccinated? When and where can we claim the 1,000 gift certificate? How many have claimed it? Can someone claim it on my behalf? Please watch the video for the update.
透过右盼，就像个小孩，此刻心跳你明不明白？没了节拍。
Before we jump to the video, welcome to Tita Eda's channel, giving you the best tips, tricks, government tutorials, and government information so we can be updated together. If this is the kind of content that you like, please consider subscribing. Click the notification bell so you will be updated and will not miss any of our latest video episodes. So let's start. Here's the update with regards to the 1,000 gift certificate that Makati City are giving to our senior citizen. 22,664 senior Makatizens received 1,000 gift certificate. Mayora Abby continues to express her love for the proud Makatizens who are fully vaccinated in the city. Last July 30, 2021 up to 22,664 was the total number who were able to receive 1,000 gift certificate. Don't forget to register, guys, so you will be able to receive the 1,000 gift certificate. 1,000 gift certificate accepted by fully vaccinated senior proud Makatizens. It is important for me to be vaccinated for immunity because we are old and weak. Many thanks to LGU, especially to Mayor Binay. Free vaccine plus we get a 1,000 gift certificate. Amparo Torres. $1,000 gift certificate distribution for all senior Makatizens who are now fully vaccinated, and this would be for all barangays. So all you need to do is go. Schedules would be Monday to Saturday, and venue would be Activity Center Glorieta 2, and the time would be 10 in the morning to 4 in the afternoon. And then the other venue would be the Activity Center Ayala Mall Circuit. That's 9 a.m. to 4 in the afternoon. Remember to bring original ID, either your blue card or white card that's been issued by Makati, and then the original vaccination card. And if you will be asking someone to claim it on your behalf, remember to bring an authorized or authorization letter together with their valid ID. So example, it would be your daughter or your grandchild. Need to make sure they bring a authorization letter and their valid ID, and make sure to photocopy it. Here's one of the venue in Ayala Glorieta 2. The claiming of the 1,000 gift certificate would be near the concierge in Glorieto 2. So this would be your landmark once you enter the venue. As you can see, guys, this was an actual photo that I have claimed for the 1,000 gift certificate of my father. So this was located in Glorieta 2. So there are two tables, as you can see, one on the left, one on the right. So that's where you're going to present the required documents, the vaccination card, the blue or the white card. And then if you're claiming it on behalf of your parents or your grandparents, you also need to bring a authorization letter together with your valid ID. So you need to make sure, guys, that both of the IDs, you and your parents or grandparents ID, should be photocopy as well. But don't you worry, there's a if it's not, then there's a national bookstore that you can have it photocopy just in case. But it would be better if you have already Xerox or photocopy the IDs to avoid any delays. And here you go, guys. Here now are the 1,000 gift certificate from Pure Gold. So once you have uh, provided all the necessary documents, you are able to get it in a couple of minutes. So there you have it. You can use it on any Pure Gold branches. And one more thing, they've also provided a freebies for Lola Remedios. So ayan mga guys, if you find this video very helpful at nagustuhan mo itong video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng videos na aking i-upload. Thank you ulit sa pag-tune in nyo sa aking channel. Again, this is Tita Eda. If you have a questions and you want information, just visit Tita Eda's channel. Continue to be a blessing and stay safe.